You gotta go in again.
All right, you guys, here's the results utilizing our perfect entry trading system on US30. I know there's a lot of people out there that want to trade US30. They're scared to trade US30. They're trying to figure out ways that they can trade US30 because US30 can either make or break a bank account. I've seen people make thousands of dollars daily trading US30. But our perfect entry trading system does not only work well with Forex pairs, but it also works well with indices such as US30. Now, this is the weekly results. We're looking at a hour chart. Well, this is actually a 30-minute chart on US30. As you can see, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And what the PET system basically is it is a multitude of confirmations on when to get in the market and when to get out of the market, therefore giving you perfect entries and exit points in the market. So notice where we have this green arrow here. This green arrow is a non-repainting arrow. Some indicators that people use are repainting. Some of the indicators that are actually in the PET system, we have over 40 plus customized indicators in the PET system, and we're adding more tools on a monthly basis. But we have a couple of tools that are non-repainting tools. This green arrow is a buyer's arrow telling us that a reversal from the current trend of a downtrend was about to reverse. We got this non-repainting buyer's arrow followed by our high voltage trend reversal signal, which is this yellow circle with the blue star in the middle. And as you can see from this point, we have a double bottom. And from this point, the market went up. And if you had to roll this trade from the entry, that is well over 23,000 points or 2,300 pips to the upside. That is just in one trade in a matter of 4 or 5 hours, over 2,000 pips to the upside. But notice, once we get to this upper band of our sentiment tool, we also have a high voltage signal for a sell, which is now our exit point. So we exited our buy. We're looking for ways to get in the market on the sell. We also have this pink harmonic pattern that also lined up with our high voltage sell signal. And if you had to roll this trade down from where it was to the exit point is over 3,900 pips. In one day, on Tuesday, you could have caught over 3,000 pips trading US30 utilizing the perfect entry trading system. That is over 5,000 pips already in 2 days. But notice we got our exit point, but notice we have a high voltage buyer signal, which is the yellow circle with the blue star in the middle. We have our buyer's arrow, which is our non-repainting arrow. And if you can see, we also have a white buyer's arrow as well. This is 4 confirmations all in one area, also lined up with our harmonic at the bottom of support. And if you had took this trade and rolled this trade all the way up into the exit point that following day, or maybe a little over 24 hours, we are already 5,000 pips in the profit. That's another 3,400 pips. So once we caught that trade and we get our seller signal in the outside band of our sentiment tube, this is now our exit point from the buy, which is 3,500 pips, and then we start looking for entries to the sell. So notice all we're doing is riding the wave of US30 up and down as the market gives us entry points and exit points based off of the perfect entry trading system. But notice, once we get this high voltage seller signal, we're exiting our buy at 3,500 pips. We're getting in for the sale for 2,277 pips. And once you get out of this sale and you start looking for entries to the buy, which would have been probably right here, this is a perfect entry, and we could have rolled this trade right back up the very next day for another 1,800 pips. And then notice after that signal, currently right now, we got a major drop in US30 today, and that drop was well over 2,600 pips. So this is almost 10,000 pips in profit based off of the perfect entry trading system, trading the Dirty 30, the Beast, the US30. There's a lot of people out there that are scared to trade the US30 because it moves in extreme volume. But if you have a system that is going to give you multiple confirmations on when to get in the market and when to get out of the market, it will make it much easier for you to trade US30. Now, notice, not only do we have confirmations on the chart, we also have our ultimate trend signal, which is going to tell you whether it's bearish or bullish on a strong downtrend, whether it's going sideways, all from the hour, the 30-minute, the 15-minute, and the 5-minute. It is going to tell you what the trend is based on multiple time frames. Not only that, we have our divergence indicator here that is going to tell you when there's divergence in the market. We also have our future predictor indicator here that will tell you possible future predictions of the market. Notice where the market is right now, and the future prediction is showing that it has a little bit more to drop before it starts to rise. That is our future prediction indicator. Not only that, we have our solar wind that's telling you whether you're in the seller's market or whether you're in the buyer's market. And whenever you get a cross, that is a great indication to get into a trade. Notice here, we have our ultimate buyer signal. It came down. We got our first retracement signal. At that retracement signal point would have been the perfect time to get in for the buy. Notice where we got the cross at. Here's our signal here. And notice we also got the cross right after it from seller's territory into buyer's territory. And then the market went into a buy and it jumped up over 2,000 pips. Not only that, we have our TDI alert system that tells you whether the market is oversold or overbought. We also have an automatic fib tool that is built in. It is going to go from the swing high to the swing low, and it's going to give you your automatic fib levels. Not only that, it tells you the days, it tells you the time on how much time is left in each candle, depending on what time frame you're in. Notice we have over 40. Look at as many PETS system indicators that we have inside of the system. It is well over, well, this is not the full PET system. We have well over 40 indicators that you can customize. You can build your own template. Therefore, you can find perfect entries and exit points based off of the perfect entry trading system. This is nothing other than multiple confirmations in the market. We want to, in our group, the Winning Circle group, in our DKS educational platform, we're teaching people how to trade the market based off of price action, currency strength analysis, volume price analysis, things of that nature. We're trying to get people away from the indicators, but while they're learning, while they're developing the skill set, while they're utilizing the strategies that we're giving, they're using the PET system for confirmation. If you're looking for a trade and you're thinking that US30 is on its way on an uptrend, you can pull out the perfect entry trading system, and it's going to give you an entry based off of your analysis and confirm whether your analysis is correct or not. Notice we have multiple confirmations in one area, and the market shot up. Not only did it shot up, it came back, gave us a reversal so that we can get back into the signal. It's bouncing off of support. This would have been a perfect entry to get in the market based off of previous confirmations from the PET system. Right now, you can get access to the PET system for a one-time fee. That one-time fee is going to give you full access. You're going to get all future upgrades. So even if we're paying for extra tools and we're adding it inside of the PET system, once you pay your one-time fee, you do not have to pay for any future upgrades to the system. We're also going to give you access 1 month free 30-day trial access to our DKS educational platform, where you're going to get daily signals, you're going to get key strategies that we use, you're going to get mentored by a 7-figure trader, you're going to get live training, and we also have live trading sessions to where we pick out the market, we find the right trade, we send the trade to everybody in attendance, and everybody makes money at the same time. And if you want to continue access with that, you can pay a small monthly fee. But if you don't, you will always have access to the PET system. You will always have access to the future upgrades. If you're struggling in your Forex or your trading, or if you're looking for ways to trade US30, and if you're looking for the right tool to help you, this PET system is for you. We have multiple tools inside. We have multiple templates that you can use. You can customize the system if you want. That way you can utilize certain tools that you like the most. I'm telling you, people are raving over this PET system. It is giving people amazing, amazing results. This is the end of week special. Actually, we're having a October Halloween special for the PET system as well. So get access today for the one-time fee for a discount before we go up in price. Hopefully, you guys see the value in the PET system. Hopefully, you're interested and excited to get started with our winning circle and our PET system beta testing group. I will get you access, get you connected. Therefore, you can finally get the results that you deserve. See you in the next video.